Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, you should do warm exercise. Be ready, student? Everyone sit in a place. Sit in a place. Keep backbone straight now. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, children. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay, children? Children, take out your workbooks. Say recall. Multiple choice question. 21 divided by 3. See? 21 divided by 3. Say the table. 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. Yes or no, children? See? Three sevens are 21. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 is the answer. Where it is? Option D. First one, option D. Second one, every division fact has dash multiplication fact. 2, 4, 3, 1. 2. Option A. Next, 16 divided by 4. 4 divided by C. 16 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. 4 is the answer. Where it is? Option B. Next, the quotient in 45 divided by 5. Quotient. What is the quotient of 45 divided by 5? 5 nines are 45. Yes, what is the quotient? 9. 9 is the quotient. Where it is? Option D. Understood, children? Next, the remainder when 81 is divided by 9. See? 81 divided by 9. 9 nines are 81. Remainder is 0. Yes? See? Remainder is 0. Where it is? Option B. You know now, this is dividend, divisor, this is quotient, this is remainder. Understood, children? Next, the quotient when 42 is divided by 6. 42 divided by 6. 6 sevens are 42. Quotient is 7. Yes, option C. Next, the quotient when a number is divided by itself is always dash 1. Next, the remainder when 37 is divided by 5. 37 divided by 5. The remainder is, see, 37 divided by 5. See, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. S minus 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 3, 0. Remainder is 2. S, what is that remainder? 2. Ninth one. The quotient is dash when 18 is divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. 2 nines are 18. 18 minus 18, 0. The quotient is, what is that? 9. Understood, children? Very short answer question. Divide 24 by 4. See, 24 4 divided by 24. Yes. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sixes are 24. 24 minus 24, 0. What is the quotient? 6 is the quotient. Yes. 11th one. 63 divided by 9. Yes. 63 say 9 ones are, you know, 9 ones are, children. Tell me. 9 sevens are 63 0 0. 12th one. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. 5 threes are 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 3 is the answer. Here 7. S. Now 13th one. First write that. Thirteenth one. Divide 95 by 8. See, divide 95 by 8. See, ma, listen carefully. You can divide this 9 because 8 is less than 9. As see, 8 ones are 8. As 9 minus 8, 1. This y you should take down. As now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 will come. That's why you can't take 8 twos are. What you have to do, you should take again 8 ones are 8. 15 minus 8. 8 after, up to 15 you should count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers came? 7. 7 is remainder. Okay. Remainder quotient, 11 is quotient, 7 is remainder. 14th one, 66 by 4. Okay, 66 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 will come. Can't take 8 because 4 ones I should take. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 2. Sorry, 6 minus 4. See here 4, here 6. Yes, 6 minus 4. 4 after up to 6 you should count. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers came? 2. The 2 you should write. This 7 you should take down. Okay. 27 now. Again you should say the table. 4 ones are table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 eights are 28 will come. Here 27 is there. That's why you should take small number. Understood? 24 you can take. 4 6 are 24. Minus you should do. Yes, 7 minus 4. 4 after up to 7 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 3. 2 minus 2? 0. Remainder is 3. Remainder 3. Quotient 16. Okay. They are asking quotient and remainder you should write. Yes. That one only we did. Understood? Next. Divide 378 by 3 and check your answer. You should check the answer. Is it right or wrong? Okay? 15th one. Write this first. Next, 15th one. 378 divided by 3. See, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. This 7 you should take down. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes if you take means 9 will come. 9 will can minus? No, can't minus. You can minus 6. That's why I took 6. Okay. 7 minus 6. 1. Again you should take down this 8. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sixes are 18. Yes. Is it right or wrong? You should check. S 326 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 8. 1 carry forward. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is right. You should check the answer. Correct or wrong? This 2 if you multiply, this number should come. This is correct. Understood? Cross multiplication. Understood? If you do cross multiplication, this answer should come. Then that question, this sum is correct. Understood, children? Next. Copy fast. After that, 16th one. Now 16th one. See, divide 684 by 6 and check your answer. 684 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. This 8 you should take down. 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6. 6 after up to 8 you should count. 6 after 7, 8. 2. This one you should take down. 4. 6 fours are 24. Minus you should do. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. See, is it right or wrong? Check once. 6 fours are 24. 4, 2, up. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 ones are 6. See the question. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Understood?